Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how you can download Postman on oh sorry. This is applicable to almost every operating system you are using, be it Linux, Mac or so first and first we will need to let me open a new browser, a new page I know. So search for Postman. Yeah, Postman. Then we can. Yeah, I think there are various ways you can use Postman, but yeah, I think we can actually download Postman. Yeah, instead of using the web version. I'm showing you how you can just download it to your device. So if you actually click on Mac, that should be download. That should be Mac. Click on Linux, that should be for Linux. So, but I'm using Windows, so that's why I will click on Windows. Now it will take us to select the bits we are using. Mine is actually 64 bits. Click on so immediately the download should start. So when you over here, you can find the download player. So not wasting time, you can actually grab a cup of coffee while we wait for the file to download successfully. Yeah, the Postman now finished and we can click here, or we can actually navigate to download folder and just click the install. So either you click here or you can actually click it from here. So just once it's done, this pick down pause icon here. Okay, yeah, our download is completed successfully. Now we can just click here or navigate to this place, download folder. It can be any of your folder. That's why I would advise you click it to show this place, so that if you want to click, don't need to open the folder. Just click on it. It's going to launch the installation file. Please don't forget to like, share, leave a comment if you want me to do another video on Postman, or if you're having any challenge with Postman or any software. Leave a comment. I will be eager to actually solve the problem by creating a video from it. For instance, if you're having issue to send phone data or get data on Postman, you can inbox me, like message me or comment, then I'll get a video done for you. Now let's not forget, if you have that problem, there's possibility that every other developers, a lot of developers are having that same challenge. So don't always forget to share on your comments so that we can get more video done for you. So I believe the installation is initialized. Let's wait. So I'm so excited to actually share this video with you guys. So don't forget to subscribe. Please click the subscribe button so that I can get more videos like this done for you. Then I actually have a video for you guys that will use Pro Tools. Pro Tools video is brought down by YouTube. I don't really know how I can do that, but I will update you guys when the video is back on YouTube. So right now, let's wait. Let's grab a cup. Oh, we have grabbed a cup of coffee. So if yours have not finished, you have just finished sipping your coffee. You can keep sipping your coffee. But for those that finish sipping their coffee, you can get another coffee, or maybe be eating biscuits as we wait for the Postman initialization. Yeah, it's requiring me for me to create an account. Probably I'll just sign in. Should I use YouTube or Gmail? Let me just sign in Gmail account instead. Don't log in, yes, allow access. Okay, what about describe your role? I'm a backend engineer, frontend developer, data engineer, a full stack. Mike is a full stack. Then what would you like to do with Postman? Describe my API, build and test my API, move on. Next. Now they have basic, they have free, so you can actually pick a particular plan, or whereas you can continue with the free plan. You understand? You can continue with free plan. No, I have to change this. It can be your team name, it can be anything. I will just say it was right. Invite email. Yeah, it's for you to invite other people to collaborate with to work. But just to tell the video on how to install, we don't need it right now. So I'll click on get started, and boom, we have a Postman. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Please subscribe. And again, if you want me to do a video on Postman, maybe how to send the post data or it gets data, please leave a comment in the description below. Thank you very much guys for staying tuned and watching on this video. It goes a whole lot of long way for me, for supporting. Please like, share to your friends also that are developers, for them to use Postman. Thank you. If this video have impacted you can also comment. Thank you very much guys for watching this video. Please stay tuned for our next video.